So welcome back to part 3 of the ramp build. Doing the last bit of concrete in this ramp. There's just a couple of clips here of what's coming up.
Right, we're just marking something here as a point to follow. We'll bring a chalk line across it then.
So yeah, just pinging a chalk line across, so I've got something to follow on this edge. Because this edge I'm marking now is freehand, they didn't put anything to shutter off there. All the usual processes, just got 2 boys on the barrows, barring it in. And I'm there finishing the concrete as we go. Got a nice bit of creamy concrete as well, same sort of mix. And just working my way down with that free edge on there. And making sure I hold the screed bar level, which isn't all that easy. But obviously I've got the chalk line to follow, which you can just see the red line of. We had quite a nice day for weather for it for drying as well.
Comment on a few different things, like stop flying. It wasn't long before I
a bit less panic on this ramp, because it was just one long straight section, so much easier to do than the other ones.
Lovely Danny, good man.
And it was also shorter, so less amount than
as well.
First pour.
I think that's why they do it. And you end up with void done anyway.
Just pulling my mesh up to bite into the concrete and bending my rake in the process.
There, you know what I mean?
Just dragging that screed bar back and trying to just get the concrete as smooth as possible in the initial stages. It makes life easier later on then.
It's a bit harder today because I've got nothing to screed off. This edge is just a free edge, you get what I mean? Still going to take a bit of time to get in.
Right, back on the time lapse now. Just putting a bit more mesh in, cut it to size, make sure I'm 2 inches back from the edge. Went really well. We really did motor along on this one. It was so refreshing not having to turn corners like the first pour, because that did take a bit of time when you're altering the gradient and stuff. Just on the final straight here now. And last bit of mesh to go in now, just cut this down to size. Horrible stuff this mesh is, because yeah, if you don't have your wits about you, it can very easily cut you. Nasty stuff. But makes the concrete very strong, so got to be used.
Alright, we are getting very close to the end now, which is great. A bit more tricky this one, just this free edge. But still, we're getting there. I'll take you on a journey a minute, just to show you the setup again. Obviously, you saw the other day where we were on the dumper, and the setup is up here. So their barrow run is yeah, so basically they're coming all the way down here. All the way down here. All the way down here. Down here, this is the old slope she replaced. Down here, and there's a bloody dog. Got my render. And then yeah, they come all the way down here, and then back to here, and then finish up.
Just putting the final bit of shuttering in here to hold the end of the ramp. And some pins in as well. Just the last couple of bars to go in, which is amazing. I'm just very happy at this point.
You need some for... Yeah, as long as I've got a bit. It's not as bad as what it was before. It's just a bit...
We were just discussing here how much more concrete to put on. It's always better to have a little bit more in the barrel to play with.
We are just gonna get this flattened off a bit.
I'm just making sure I go both ways with the big blue, just to make sure there's no funny dips or anything like that. So across and across the other way, if you want to call it that. Just getting on it while it's still wet enough, but stiffened up slightly, because you don't want to be making indentations into it. You can see this first bit has gone off a bit now, so you can be a bit harsher on it.
You are?
You know JCB makes tools. Do you want any tools?
Why?
Because I have a 50% off. Thing soon.
How much?
50.
18.
One guy.
There's me being slightly
yeah.
deaf.
And they had a thing on at college.
How is it?
Where they just posted soon 50% off.
Have you taken advantage of it?
No, I don't need any tools.
Yeah, poker for you over there as well, Danny.
Yeah, so say if you need any tools. It's 50% off. That'd still be like £3 grand.
You can see this first bit is getting exactly where I want it to be now, nice and flat.
Just get this edge starting to form now. Before it goes too much. It might go fairly quick today. We've got a nice bit of sun, nice bit of wind.
It's just getting this edge sorted just before it goes too much, because you leave it go too much, they're not easy to do, so you just got to start forming it, don't go crazy on it, because it'll just make it too wet. But
Hey, bit of lunch, and we're hoping this will just go off a bit more then.
just making sure these edges marry in. Just trying out the line from where I did the edge. And the final trowel on this last bit we got, and you can just see the shine at the bottom there. Still pretty wet it is. But the sun's on it, so I was quite happy it was going to go off enough.
That wild garlic is absolutely stinking.
It's quite satisfying using the big blue with the poles on. Although when you make a mistake and you dig in, it is very annoying. Just a bit of cross trowel to finish off.
Get a bit of fat back up and then it'll be ready for brushing then.
I'm just doing a final little trowel over it now just before I brush, just to get that fat to the top. I've got my skids out, which were moving a bit on there. You see I'm just sliding down on them. Half the time I'm not really meaning to move. A few things off camera where I was going a bit further than I wanted. And this is my favourite bit now, getting the brush
Now
out.
we can brush it.
Do very much enjoy this bit. This was just gone off just right for this brush.
Like so.
Nice straight lines. Exactly what I wanted. Right, little time lapse there. Should being finished off. You can probably watch me sliding down this ramp now. Just a bit more troweling. And then getting ready for the final bit of brushing.
We are very close to being done now. Very close. Just in case doing the last bit of brushing now. I prefer this to be off a tiny bit more than this, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Don't say it, don't say it, don't say it, don't say it. Don't say it, I've got to stop myself saying it. Don't say it, don't say it, don't say it, don't say it. Easy money. I couldn't resist. Right. Just the trowel here now. Might do a little band on the end to finish it off. And this job done. Been a pretty difficult project, challenging weather, everything like that. I might film the handrails maybe, I don't know if they'll be that interesting, but we might. Maybe just time lapse or something just to document it. Job done. This is a lot of work here. A lot of work. But we are getting there.